Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Power Department fails to bring electricity situation back on track after the Monday night storm. Disrupted power affects water supply all over Goa. SSC results on Sunday, but no solution yet on Chogole Higher Secondary closure issue. Government contemplates increasing seats in surrounding colleges. Government refuses to allow CBI to probe Goa governor in Augusta Westland case, cites constitutional immunity to heads of the state. Beneficiaries of state-run DSS scheme face tough time in Varpai. Senior citizens claims harassment by bank officials. And CEO Walanka Alemao refuses to comment on knockout blow for Churchill brothers. AIFF yet to write to the club, says Walanka. Now news in detail. Monday night storm is still making its impact feel on power and water supply in the state. The hide and seek of power is on for past many days. Water supply has been affected in Sange, Kepe, Phone, Tiswadi, Bardes, Pedne and Murgaon. Frequent power cuts are still harassing the people of Sange and Mandre areas. This has also resulted in corresponding effect on water supply. PWD is trying hard to put the things in place, but the department is handicapped without regular power supply.
Pre-monsoon initial spells of rains have rattled the power department, which is not yet recuperating. At many places, power supply is restored by undertaking substitute measures. Lightning, stormy winds and tree felling has damaged electrical equipments at many places. Just a simple drizzle of rain is enough for a power cut. Water supply takes hours to be uniform even if power supply is disrupted for 5 minutes. Ponda, Tiswadi, Bardes, Pedne, Bicholi, Sattari and Sange up to Murgaon are widely hit by power cuts and irregular water supply from Monday. Water supply affected from Opa water plant. No power for 12 hours on Tuesday morning. Temporary water supply carried on low voltage power. Water supply disrupted in villages due to irregular power supply. Water supply brought to normal in whatever available resources.
पोंडा आणि तिसवाडी तालुका असे दोन तालुका डिव्हिजन 3 अंडर येता. तर मंगळारा दीस दनपार 12:30 पर्यंत लायट नाशिल्ली आमच्या ओपा ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटार. ताका लागून सगळ्यो लायनी पुणेच्यो आनी पणजे ज्यो येता त्यो बंद आशिल्ल्यो आनी एक लायन आमची ती बंदूच आशिल्ली जी कुट्टी, फर्मागुडी, मर्दोळ, मंगेशी, कुंडय येता ती आमी बुधवार दीस सकाळीं चालू केली. कित्याक आमचे वेगळे वेगळे कडेन रुरल वॉटर सप्लाय स्किम्स आसा. बांय आनी ट्यूबवेल्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रियोळ, शिरोडा थंय सुद्दां लायट नाशिल्ली आनी त्यो सुद्दां स्किम्स बंद आशिल्ल्यो.
No power for Verna pumping station. 6 power cuts on Tuesday. Power was not there for 3 hours 22 minutes. 3 power cuts on Wednesday. No power for 1 hour and 3 minutes. Sarauli water supply also affected. No power for 3 hours and 30 minutes on Tuesday. No power for 1 hour 15 minutes on Wednesday. No power for 55 minutes on Thursday. Sanel water pumping station ramshackles. No power for 8 hours on Tuesday. No power for 6 hours on Wednesday. Power disruption continues on Thursday too. Normally PWD and Power Department undertake pre-monsoon works and shutdowns. But this year the picture is different. But for now, the damage control work is piling up day by day. This is just pre-monsoon, a trailer. A vast dark monsoon season might have been slated ahead for Goikars. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government is in its final leg of persuading Chogole management to reverse their decision of closing down the higher secondary section. As per sources, there is an attempt to accommodate higher secondary students in schools in and around Murgaon. As per government's arithmetic, students will be accommodated in the new premises of multi-purpose premises. Still, government has kept its fingers crossed over Chogole management's decision, but management is adamant on absorbing 11 standard students.
SEC results will be out on Sunday, but there is no sign of truce between government and Chogole management over the higher secondary closure issue. This is the third controversial year. government is still unable to come out with a concrete solution. Chaugule management is moving towards closure of the higher secondary. Last year, management postponed their decision. This year, they are in no mood to do that. Sources from Education Department say, Chaugule not ready for compromise over higher secondary issue. Government planning to increase seats in the higher secondaries in and around Madgaon. Seats might be increased in Damodar, Rosary Higher Secondary. Multipurpose higher secondary premises to be ready by next year. But the question is about the reputation and standard Chaugule has created over all these years. Will multipurpose higher secondary attract the numbers of students like Chaugule's? 11th standard admissions will begin immediately after the SSCE results on Sunday. But the consensus is still far away. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
CBI cannot question the governor in the chopper deal scam as they have constitutional immunity. The Solicitor General of India has said it before the Supreme Court. CBI is planning to send a team of its officers to record the statement of Goa Governor Bharatveer Vanshu and West Bengal Governor M.K. Narayanan as witnesses in connection with its probe in the VVIP helicopter purchase deal.
There were reports that Goa Governor B.V. Vanshu and West Bengal Governor M.K. Narayanan may have to record statement before CBI in the Augusta Westland VVIP helicopter purchase deal. But the Solicitor General's advice speaks otherwise. CBI cannot investigate or question West Bengal Governor M.K. Narayanan and Goa Governor B.V. Vanshu in the alleged VVIP chopper scam case. Solicitor General says both the governors have immunity under Constitution. The Law Ministry referred this issue to the Solicitor General Parasaran. He said these governors cannot be touched or questioned as long as they hold office as governors. Sources in the probe agency say it is necessary to question Vanshu, who had been chief of the elite special protection group guarding the Prime Minister before he was appointed as Governor of Goa. CBI wants to record the statement of Vanshu as a witness for now, as he had participated in the meeting in 2005 that allowed key changes in the technical specifications. CBI was planning to send a team of its officers to record the statement of Goa Governor B.V. Vanshu as a witness. Earlier, Governor Vanshu had informed Prudent that he is open for investigation in VVIP chopper deal probe, but legal experts say that the governors can be probed if they cease to be the governors, a possibility that cannot be ruled out with the new government taking over reins at the centre. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Ammonia leak created panic at Dhauje en route Gaundari near Old Goa Circle. Fire station received a call on Thursday evening about ammonia leak at Sanjeevani Ice Factory at Dhauje. Immediately, fire officials rushed to the site and plugged the leakage before it could create any hazard to surrounding areas. It took 1 hour for fire officials to control the leakage. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.